Here we have a pressed steel tub chip repair that I'm going to take some Bondo to with some 120 grit sandpaper to go ahead and start sanding it out, rough it up a little bit to prepare for a little bit of adhesion with my Bondo. So I've just taped off and isolated the area a little bit to prep for the Bondo. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix up the Bondo with the cream hardener, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the taped off area. Sorry, so I'm mixing it with one hand. I don't have my GoPro set up, but I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the area, and then I'm going to go ahead and let it dry for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and sand it down. I'll give it another application real light, and then get ready to spray. So now I'm going to take the Rust-Oleum Appliance Epoxy enamel and spray it on. It gives a pretty good match. I also use the Rust-Oleum High Performance enamel as well. Both of them match up to a pressed steel tub white very well.